I am Deandra, your phone sex dollhouse mistress, and I'm here to help you learn how to become a phone sex operator. Not only a phone sex operator, a phone sex operator who is successful, who makes money, and who does it all from the comfort of their own home on their own time and has that financial freedom that you are looking for. Guys, today I'm going to share a review that has been making me cry for the past 2 weeks. This is going to be a short and a sweet video. I want to talk about this review. I'm going to share it with y'all, and you may cry a little bit too. I've been crying nonstop. But here it is, okay? And just want you to know and think about this. This is one goal, one thing that somebody has been able to accomplish with the ebook bundle itself. I offer ebooks, I offer trainings, I sell them, of course, separately, or you can go ahead and get all of the ebooks. This girl, her name is Tiffany. Some time ago, she bought all of the ebooks because I do have an ebook bundle, and this is what this review is for. In my ebook bundle, you'll get all of the ebooks. They teach you from A to Z how to start making money as a phone sex operator. And guys, if you are looking for a fun, easy, and safe way to make money from home, this is going to be how to do it. You can log on in the evenings, in the morning, during the day, at night, doesn't matter. If you have a full-time job, I've done this over the years, guys. I was a full-time school teacher. I did quit teaching. I was doing phone sex at that time. When I freed up my schedule, I, obviously just had more time to get on the phones and stuff. My income skyrocketed. It is amazing. And I was quickly able to not only match, but also surpass my teaching income. So, can you do this with a full time job? Absolutely. Can you do this with, by its own? Absolutely. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money this holiday season or whatever, check this out. Consider becoming a PSO. And guys, just so you know, I have my ebook bundles. Everything is linked down in the description. Go check it out in my Dollhouse store. So you can check out the ebooks, check out the ebook bundle that I'm going to talk about here in a minute. And also you can check out the one-on-one training options as well. Anyways, let's get to the actual review, and please excuse me as of right now if I tear up a little bit. I'm going to try not to. All right, so this review is from Tiffany, and this is a review for the ebooks. Tiffany purchased the bundle a couple months ago, and this are her results. She says, "Hey Deandra, my name is Tiffany. I've never trained with you and we do not know each other, but I wanted to write an email to you to say thank you. I have bought all of your books and just wanted to say thank you. A few months ago, when I bought them, I was living on the streets and selling something else. Wink, wink. I didn't have anywhere to stay other than when I made a sale, wink, wink, for that night. I depended on that so I'd have somewhere to stay and possibly food the next day. One day you had a sale, and I thought, why not? Let's see if I can get even a little bit of money from it. Well, 4 months later, and I am now making steady income daily and will be moving into my new apartment next week. I've been able to rent some cheap motels for a few days at a time for the last few months and saving up for actual apartment. I've stopped selling it in person and now sell it over the phone. I didn't know I could do that, and sometimes I make more money now. I just wanted to say thank you. And this right here, guys, isn't exactly how she had it written down in the email, but she says, I went from living it to talking about it, and it's all thanks to the ebooks. So guys, that right there is amazing, and I can't tell you how awesome I feel when I read that. And I hope for the same type of success for anybody who purchases either the ebooks or a ebook, doesn't matter. But whatever it is that they choose to get, I hope it brings you success and positivity no matter what. because this right here is amazing. And I do have, like I said, guys, these are the different packages. So let me just talk about the trainings. I do have the eBooks. You can buy them separately if you'd like, or you can buy the whole bundle. It's all linked down in the description. I also have 2 options for trainings, and I do have another video where I talk about everything you get, as well as detailing all of the ebooks that you'll get. So my happy hour training, you're going to get 2 1-hour sessions with me. We'll talk about anything you want to on these sessions, guys. Creating your characters, getting your model pictures, using your own pictures if you'd like, creating your profiles, anything that you'd like to talk about as far as how to get you going, how to get you started, how to make you more money. We'll talk about that. And then my after hour sessions, it's going to be every single ebook. So in both of these, you get all of the ebooks. So you're going to get like that bundle that you can either buy the ebooks by themselves, or you can get all of the ebooks with a couple of training sessions. My after party training session has 4 one-on-one hours. And then these sessions, guys, we can break them up. We can do them like once a week for 4 weeks to check in. We can do one session of a 4-hour block. We can do 2 hours and 2 hours, or however you would want to break these up. So guys, let me ask you right now, what are your goals? Let me talk to you a little bit about that. Do you have a big goal like Tiffany did at the time? It says in her thing that she's just like, let's see if I can make some money. And for her at the time, it was being able to stay at a motel for maybe 2 or 3 days at a time. Eventually she's like, okay, I'm making money. I'm going to get my own apartment. And that's awesome. Do you just need or want to make some extra money? Maybe you just want some part-time money and you don't want to drive around your city and do Uber or try other types of things. Maybe you've tried other things that didn't work well. Try this out. Get yourself those ebooks. Get yourself a training session. I didn't mention it because I was talking about the bundles, but we can also do one-on-one training session. That's another option in the PayHub store, so feel free to check that out. Do you want to start a new career? Do you just want your time back the way that I did when I was teaching? Because when I was teaching, I would wake up, get ready, go straight to school, come home, get out of school at like 4, then maybe stay another half hour, another hour, depending on the day or what I needed to get done, and get out of there at like, let's say 5 p.m., drive, be stuck in traffic for another hour and a half, and have a couple of hours in the evening for myself, for what I wanted to do. It sucked. After a while, I was like, I want more time freedom. Do you want that? Is that something you're looking for? Because now let me go ahead and tell y'all, Sunday I decided to work. And I said my goal for Sunday is going to be $500. I was shy of about $87. It wasn't sad. I still made $425. I could have logged on and made a little bit more, but when I took my break for lunch at about 2 o'clock or so, and mind y'all, I think I logged in at 11. So from about 11 to 2, I made a little over $400. Then I took my break for lunch. Then I got sleepy. And then when I woke up, stuff happened. People showed up. Things happened. And then by the time everybody left, I was like, I don't want to get on anymore. I was slightly mad at myself because I'm like, damn, could have only probably been another hour, maybe 2 of logging on and working. But I was okay with it because I still made over 400. So that's just one example. And why did I do that on a Sunday? Because I had already planned to go do something and be with my family all Monday night. I said, I know I'm not going to work or log on or anything on Monday. So I'm going to try to do as much as I can and put that goal on myself on Sunday. And that's just kind of how it goes. I was able to do that because I don't have a set schedule. I don't have a boss I need to ask for the ability to take time off for. And I know that I can log on because I know what to say in a call. I know how to get the callers talking to me. I know how to hold the call, and I can teach you all of that. And if that's what you're looking for, that freedom to be able to do something like that, I want you to have it. I want everybody to feel it. I want everybody to have it. That's why I do this. I teach people how to get that, how to be there. Or do you just need to pay off some debts? Do you want a little bit of extra money? Maybe pay off some credit cards and maybe just have a little bit of breathing room when it comes to your finances by working maybe 2-3 hours a day, making another $50 to $100. I'm not going to promise you crazy big money, especially not at the very, very beginning. Is it possible? Absolutely. And I can teach you how to get there fairly quickly. But I can tell you this, you can get signed up and start working today and get paid next week. How much you're going to get paid? I'm going to be realistic and say about $200. Third week or so is where you'll start seeing better money. But that's within a month. And I can show you the speedway, the raceway, whatever, the shortcuts to get there ASAP. So if you're ready to accomplish those goals, if you're ready to do that for yourself, for your family, for whatever goals you have, go ahead and check out the description below. Go to my PayHip store, grab the ebooks, or feel free to sign up for some of the training sessions, and let's get started working on your goals. I'm Deandra, the Phone Sucks Dollhouse Mistress, and I'm here for you.